Well, that was fun. I didn't bother to get my phone out and record anything while the guys were here. They just took off. We just had a great time talking, and there's so much to cover and talk about. And of course, I love talking about this thing. And there's just so much to go over that I didn't even bother making a video when they were here. But I am pretty much fully charged at this point. I'm going to be taking off here shortly. I just looked at the display back here, and let's see if I can get a shot of it. I can't really tell if it's pointed in the right direction. It's down to 15 amps, 36 degrees high, 34 degrees low, 40.4 kilowatt hours. So I'm good to go. From here, I can go straight home. I won't even need to stop and charge or anything. I think it was 208 miles to get home, something like that. But yeah, my God, it was so cool meeting the guys, and it's pretty neat that I impressed Rich Rebuilds, who impresses everybody. He does a lot of cool stuff. But yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm gonna pack up. Everything went great, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. See ya.